In this module, we will look at easements. Easements are rights which allow one landowner to enjoy rights over land belonging to someone else. The land burdened by the easement is known as the servient tenement, and the land with the benefit of the easement is known as the dominant tenement. The owners of the two pieces of land are known as the servient owner and the dominant owner, respectively. An easement differs from a lease in that it does not give the dominant owner possession of the servient land, but instead allows the dominant owner to exercise the right given to them by the easement. The servient owner retains title to the servient land. Easements can be positive or negative. Positive easements give the dominant owner the right to do something on the servient land, but not necessarily the right to take something from the servient land. A right of way, allowing the dominant owner to pass over the servient tenement, is an example of a positive easement. Positive action by the dominant owner is required to enjoy a positive easement. Negative easements prevent the servient owner from doing something on the servient land. For example, an easement of support gives the dominant owner the right to enjoy the support of a wall built on the boundary of the two tenements.